Hi friends, today let's break down BLS International Services, a rapidly growing player in global visa, identity management, and citizen services. Their numbers show explosive growth, sharp efficiency gains, and some exciting takeaways for investors. Let's start with sales. 10 years ago, BLS posted just 450 crores in sales. This year, they have hit 2,411 crores, a 17% annual growth over a decade. The past 5 years have been even hotter. Compound sales growth at 23% annually, 3-year growth at 37%, and a massive 31% jump in the most recent year. The real acceleration came post 2022, when travel demand rebounded and BLS expanded its presence in new countries and services. Expenses have grown from 420 crores to 1,711 crores over 10 years. Manufacturing cost remains huge, 82% of revenue in early years, but recently cut down to 46% thanks to automation and outsourcing. Employee cost held tight between 7 to 14% of expenses, even as the company went global. Other costs are small and contained below 10%, a sign of discipline. BLS slashed its operating spending from over 80% to under 50% as it scaled up, meaning each extra rupee sales add much more profit now. Operating profit rocketed from 30 crores to 700 crores. Operating profit margin soared from 7% to a stellar 29%, one of the highest for a tech-enabled services company. That means nearly 1 rupee out of every 3 rupees earned turns into operating surplus. Other income is modest but rising, currently at 88 crores, which are from investments, tech partnerships, and side projects. Interest expense is 32 crores, which remains very low. Depreciation is steady, reflecting IT, office, and skill investments. Net profit flew up from 24 crores to 600 crores, an eye-popping 65% compound annual growth over 3 years. EPS multiplied from 0.58 rupees a decade ago to 13.72 rupees. Real wealth creation for shareholders. Payouts have improved. Dividend payout standing at 8 to 20% recently. Return on equity is jaw-dropping, currently at 34.3%, exceptionally high for a service business. Return on capital employed is 33.6%, outstanding. Dividend yield is modest at 0.27%, reflects reinvestment for global expansion. The current stock PE is 27, relatively reasonable for a high-growth service company. So, BLS International demonstrates a scalar's advantage story. Rapid top-line compounding, huge margin improvement, and tight expense management. The company transitioned from a travel-focused service provider to a global citizen solutions powerhouse. The hidden gem here is BLS's ability to turn technology investments directly into profit, not just revenue. With travel, digital ID, and government service demand all rising globally, BLS stands well positioned for continued expansion. If you enjoyed this growth driven breakdown, subscribe to Wealth Growth Club and let us know which company story you want next.